Alright, so this is a 2010 Chevy Malibu. To get this to not read locked, I'm gonna plug that cord in and out while the ignition's on the port there on the right when you're looking at it. So, alright, see, hopefully I'm gonna set the camera here, sorry, so you can see it. I don't know. Well, alright, so plug it in, it says locked. Unplug it. Come in. Locked. Locked. The key's on. Locked. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just locked. They say you gotta do this as many times till it recognizes it. Locked. 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 Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. I was hoping. Locked. Locked. The clock moved a minute, so it's reading. Maybe I'm gonna wait, not plug it in as quick. Maybe I'm plugging it in too quick. Locked. But the clock reset that time. I'm gonna wait a few more seconds here so it completely clears. Locked. And the clock reset. I'm on, I got the key turned. This ain't fucking gonna work. They say the clock will pop up then in the middle there. Yeah, it's not working. Locked.